Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your Instagram story only with specific people. Okay, so first click add story to make the story. So before you select your content, you can click the setting icon at the top right corner, and then you can click the story. So you can select the hide story from, or I think you can select close friends. You can select close friend to share your story only with specific people, and select the people that you want to send the story, for example, and then click down, and the story will be sent only to 3 people here that I choose. Okay, go back and select the story and select your stories. Okay, that's how you can share your Instagram story only with specific people on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.